culture. And every day me fight feel like a real soldier. Big up reggae culture. Being true to all the wings, that's a piece of Jamaica. Long time you there, your people still follow ya. Cause everybody needs roots, reggae and ska. Great music and vibes, that's a magic formula. We love reggae culture. Yo, check it out, at a bag and on the mic. My selector read him up, we mash up like every night. Be ready to smoke it up, be ready to put your lighters up. No matter if it's hip-hop or one drop or over up. We can bust it in a different way. When we sing out of the place, I will play. On the stage, me feel like it's the holidays. Right positions, good music, it drives me crazy. We love reggae culture. And every day me fight, feel like a real soldier. Big up reggae culture. Being true to all the wings, that's a piece of Jamaica. Long time you there, your people still follow ya. Cause everybody needs roots, reggae and ska. Great music and vibes, that's a magic formula. We love reggae culture. Music are the best medicine, however, we still need red stripe and marijuana. Feel the bass in your chest, what a flavor. Nobody can put up the fire. Give me the bass alone, we're not tired of it. Can the rhythm come with a snare and a kick? Select a indie alone, this your tune is a hit. Yo people, tell me can feel the hit. Follow me, please don't be afraid. We got nothing but good vibes to spread. Cause I'm a hot like Anthony Red Rose, me a go sing till the head. Me love reggae culture. And every day me fight feel like a real soldier. Big up reggae culture. Being true to all the wings, that's a piece of Jamaica. Long time you there, your people still follow ya. Cause everybody needs roots, reggae and ska. Great music and vibes, that's a magic formula. We love reggae culture. What do you need when you're high? Paradise right in front of your eyes. Stop to fantasize, you better start to realize. Don't waste your time while letting this or that when you're right. Doesn't that people on low? One see how much reggae is on low. Them a black, them a white, them a Chinese. Reggae helps all of the man them to feel at ease. French people, Brazilians and Japanese, them together without fear of one another. Give me the sun, give me the sky, give me the reggae, so that me can sing on my troubles away. Give me the sun, give me the sky, give me the reggae, and I will get my sunglasses to be ready. Give me the sun, give me the sky, give me the reggae, so that you can sing all your troubles away. Give me the sun, give me the sky, give me the reggae, so come and get your sunglasses to be ready. Me love reggae culture, and every day me fight feel like a real soldier. Big up reggae culture. Being true to all the wings, that's a piece of Jamaica. Long time you there, your people still follow ya. Cause everybody needs roots, reggae and ska. Great music and vibes, that's a magic formula. Me love reggae culture. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Reggae culture. Reggae culture. We love reggae culture. And every day me fight feel like a real soldier. Big up reggae culture. Being true to all the wings, that's a piece of Jamaica. Long time you there, your people still follow ya. Cause everybody needs roots, reggae and ska. Great music and vibes, that's a magic formula. We love reggae culture. Yo, check it out, at a bag and on the mic. My selector read him up, we mash up like every night. Be ready to smoke it up, be ready to put your lighters up. No matter if it's hip-hop or one drop or over up. We can bust it in a different way. When we sing out of the place, I go blaze. On the stage, me feel like it's the holidays. Right musicians, good music, it drives me crazy. We love reggae culture, and every day me fight feel like a real soldier. Big up reggae culture. Being true to all the wings, that's a piece of Jamaica. Long time you there, your people still follow ya. Cause everybody needs roots, reggae and ska. Great music and vibes, that's a magic formula. We love reggae culture. Music are the best medicine, however, we still need red stripe and marijuana. Feel the bass in your chest, what a flavor. Nobody can put up the fire. Give me the bass alone, we're not tired of it. And the rhythm come with a snare and a kick. Select a indie alone, this your tune is a hit. Yo people, tell me can feel the hit. Follow me.